Hey everybody, this is Pete, and in this video I just want to give you a preview of an upcoming AU class that I'm teaching on customizing the Content Center. I'm just going to cover a few of the topics that we're going to be looking at in more detail during the course, and then please look in the description of this video after AU 2020 and I'll provide a link to the final course. In the first part of the course, we're going to talk about how to create our own custom library, and then how to get different components into that library, as well as create our own structure, whether that be substructures of an existing structure or creating our own structure from scratch for company specific components. Once our custom library and structure have been established, we'll turn our attention to the families themselves, first by editing the family properties, which will help us control the name of the family, apply critical information such as manufacturer and standard, and also determine the location where Place Content Center files live. We'll even edit the family table itself, learning how to place new columns such as thread pitch, fastener size, and then we can use those to manipulate the part number. Additionally, we'll learn how to reduce the selections available to the end users so that we can determine just which sizes are available and even in particular lengths that we want people to be using. Besides learning how to manipulate the out-of-the-box Content Center families, we'll learn to build our own content, from creating iPart tables to manage more complex geometry and configurations, to adding specific functionality such as tube and pipe connections, and then taking that content and publishing it to the Content Center to the specific locations with the specific category information that we've already configured. By publishing our own Content Center data, we can reconfigure modules within Inventor such as tube and pipe to include our own specialized styles so that we can create our own routes and runs that are particular for our design team. And finally, we'll modify the Content Center to add our own specific selection criteria to guide the end users, as well as provide custom filters which will help users hone in on exactly the classes of components we want them to use. This will benefit the end users because it will make the selection process more clear and faster to be able to pick exactly the configuration of components that are required. Now, I may be a little biased, but I think this is going to be a great class with lots of useful information. So, if you're attending AU, I really encourage you to take my class. Since AU is free this year, it's an added bonus, and I'm including a link in the description so that you can register and attend all of the many excellent classes that are going to be presented. It's going to be a little bit different this year since everything's going to be video, but there are going to be some live Q&A sessions throughout the week of AU. So, I'm excited. I hope you're excited, and hopefully see you at AU. Have a blessed day.